To find this point, locate the space that is between your little finger and your ring finger, right over here. Now, go straight down until you come to your wrist, right here. Push in to find a point that is sensitive, sore, tender, or painful. That is the point. Massage this point in a circular motion for 20 to 30 seconds like this. Or if you have a Teishin, which is a spring-loaded acupressure instrument, you can pulse it 25 times like this. Now find and activate this point on your other wrist.